This is your cooking Mommy Francie, and this time I'll be showing you somebody who visited me here. And my husband is here. Yahoo! Ano siya?
Hello guys.
Watch us until the end. Okay.
Good morning.
See you then.
I will go out and share and like and press the button.
Yan, hindi kami makapag-bandi dahil bawal daw ang bisita doon sa bahay kasi gintong bahay yun. Gintong bahay. Oo, bawal daw ang magstay in doon.
Guests not allowed.
Na outsider. So, eto, panakaw-nakaw na lang kami dito sa labas.
Ito yung mga nakaw na sandali. Kaya ito na yung masarap. Yung mga nakaw na sandali.
Ayan. Yan lang. Ito lang buhay namin.
Try nyo rito. Lamig.
Ang ginaw sobra.
Lalakad lang kayo.
Yan.
Ayun lang. That's all you can do. Walk.
Nothing I can do. Ayan.
Nothing you can do.
We're together again after 5 years.
5 years.
Every 5 years kami nagkikita.
Please.
We saw each other. The first one was 2014. That was the first time we were apart. And then last 2019,
19.
he came in here.
First
I was
time.
in Neihu, first time in Taiwan ng husband ko. Now, this is his second time. Still,
my
we cannot we cannot be together as in together. Ganito lang, as in sa park, pasyal-pasyal lang sa
Paano yun?
park.
Together again. But together again. But cannot be together again.
Yan lang.
Anta lang.
Palakad-lakad lang kami, ganito lang. And then, yun lang. This is your
Sarap.
cooking Mommy Francie.
Sarap dito guys.
Try nyo. This is tourist spots. Tourist attractions. Maraming pumupunta dito pero mga Taiwanese din usually. And mga foreigners, mga Japanese, mga Amerikano. Marami mga iba-ibang lahi. Mga Pilipinos, meron din dito mga nagpupunta. I met nga pala si Josephine. Was that Trinidad ba yun? Sorry sorry my friend. Basta si Josephine, si Jo. Tama nga ba? Place was former home for the aged. This one. Ginibana. Yan, ginawa na lang nilang parking. Ayan. Hahatid lang niya ako doon sa
Alam ako, patanaw-tanaw lang.
paikot-ikot lang yun sa bahay para siyang
Parang akit bahay.
parang ano ba yun? Nag-scammer, scammer?
Ano?
Stalker, yun. That's the
Stalker.
right term. Ni-stalk niya ako. Stranger in the night.
Stranger in the night.
Ayan, dito na lang para hindi ka mapagod.
Sus, galing mo sa akin. Damatan na.
Ayan. Dito kami bababa sa hagdaners. All stairs here. Everywhere stairs.
Ingat at madadali ang baba natin.
Ayan, sige, vlog pa more. Waiting pa more. Ano may upload ito?
Kailan?
Ewan ko kay Kim.
Next year.
Ewan kung ilang dekada dito i-edit niya. Ayan. Kaya lang yung nakapatay yung una. Yung introduction. Okay. Until here. Kami naman muna ng husband ko mag talking.
Yan lang may papakita namin sa inyo, guys.
Okay, so this is your cooking Mommy Francis saying may God bless us all. Thank you for
Bless.
watching. God bless everyone.
bless.
Bye.